like those charts.
All right, so we are now on. This is a bit of an experiment right now. We're doing for pre-market prep. It's obviously not pre-market anymore after the bell, but we've got TradeStation charts, TradeStation and Benzinga Pro. I've got my TradeStation charts right here. I think the bigger surprise that Joel has been hyping up in the chat is this little, call it, if you will, a pivot to video. What I mean by that is what's on your screen right now. Joel, Dennis, and myself all have webcams, and you should be able to see us on the screen because that that should be a
how you guys doing?
All right.
Is there a delay, Spencer?
Yeah, there's a little bit of a delay on the actual video itself, but they should be able to see Joel. There's Dennis on the left in the hat. Joel is above him, and I'm a little smaller, as I should be. I don't talk a lot. So the idea here is that we're going to be able to toggle between them, Joel and Dennis, and the charts, and that's going to be the gist of the show.
For clarification, I'm the good-looking guy on the right. Dennis is even he's wearing the Michigan hat. I don't know if he.
I did that for Joel.
Yeah, this is special Benzinga blockchain technology that our programmers came up with.
Okay.
But we're testing out this video here. We got some special surprises coming up in January. You just wanted to check out the video. But Denny, how you doing? You had a rough couple after hours sessions, pre-market. How you doing?
Bought back. I was green until I decided to take an opening position off Bluebird Bio. And that was a mistake. And obviously shaken out. So it opened at 173. I got filled on the opening print. I blinked and it was 170. Trying to work out of it. Worked out on the 169 handle. Went down to 166. Came all the way back up. It's up 176. Classic shakeout. Classic stuff that happens when you're struggling with confidence. I should have been buying down there when I was selling. But anyways, I fought back most of my losses. So small loss in Bluebird Bio. Hits me in the red for a little bit today. I'll fight back the rest of the day.
All right. Spencer, can you bring up a Bank of America 15-minute chart? I just want to do a quick breakdown of what we talked about on the show here. Dennis had talked about the weakness in Citigroup that hit some pre-market levels that I never saw during the regular session. Bank of America here, you got kind of a red chart here, and you had the lower open. When we talked about it on the show, it was actually in the green. Some sellers came in. It opened right at yesterday's low, right in 31. Got a quick pop. I was hoping to see settlement. Settlement was 31.24, but I'm not the only one that was looking at settlement and only got to 31.23 on that initial spike down. And now we're trading 30.58 here. So took 20 cents a heat off the open, but now into 30 handle. If I had my TradeStation charts up here, could you switch to a daily real quick, Spencer? See if we can find some support in this thing. All right, good here. Not a lot in there with whatever that 4-day low is. If you can key on that, Spencer, or actually it's a 3-day low. Do you see that right there? What's the low? Next one. What's the low?
This guy. We're looking at the red candle right there.
No, the green can. Go back to. It would be go back 3 candles. What's that low? One more to the right.
Oh, this one. Sorry.
My right.
You're
okay. That low. Right. That low was 30.52. So I'm not sure what the current low is. 30.54. So that's an important low to hold. After that, just look at your daily charts and
then I want to interrupt you for a second, Joel. And I want to do one more thing where Joel. So right now I'm controlling the charts, and I want Joel to be able to control the charts. When he's doing his technicals and he sees things, it's just easier that way. So what we're going to do is Joel's now going to grab the screen from me.
And let me switch up here real quick. Let me get a different chart up.
Okay. As I casually walk away from my desk, but
we're working out the kinks here, folks.
No, this is pre-market prep.
It's going from radio to video, so you kinks there's gonna be on the way.
This is pre-market prep after the open, part 8. This time it's personal.
Spencer, I'll break out a razor for you tomorrow.
Yeah. Actually, I'm running over CVS right after we're done.
Right.
Okay, so I'm going to go to share screen. And it's that one here, the trade station. We are popping up the trade station here.
And there we go.
For the folks at home, let's see. I'll wait till it's up. We're good up on the screen here. These lines here represent the green represents the previous day's low. The white represents the close. They got the market 31.23. Whatever the last print was at the close, I think on the daily it was 31.24. You saw where that quick pop was, and you took out your low from the previous day. Easily clicked out your 2-day low. This is the one that I'm focusing on here, the 3-day low. That was your 30.52 low. So there is where we're trying to hold it right now. Got to bounce at 30.68. Imagine if you get back up to that, if you can manage a rally to 30.79, that's mid-range on the session. 30.80, if you're bought down here, I'd be looking at that as your next resistance point, 30.80. So, guys, some feedback. How is the video? Dr. J, much better.
Charts look better to me.
You think so?
I think so. I like the charts.
Well, we switched off of Thinkorswim and onto TradeStation, so we'll see.
Yeah, these charts are cleaner. The ticker symbol, which we had a complaint about this morning, couldn't see the ticker. It's very big in the background there, so you can clearly see what stock we're talking about. But being able to obviously see who's talking, I think is going to be a big added element as well. So going forward on the pre-market prep show, this is what we plan on doing. You'll be able to see the three of us. We don't know if we have guests to come on. Obviously, then if they have a Skype camera or if we're bringing them in live to studio, it'd be easier. But the ones that we call in on Skype, they have a camera. Yeah. Could probably bring them on too. So be a nice added element for you guys to fill. So you can tell who's talking all the time.
Yeah. And working on a special. We've worked this out. We have a guest, I think, coming on in early February that we're going to do a little extra Skype video with. So this is it, folks. Hope you like it. Dr. J says much better video now. Aviator.
Someone said now we can see that there's a Jordan Belfort operation. And now we can see if this is a Jordan Belfort. Okay, gotcha.
Point out who's in the background. Kolb's in the background. I'll be there, Spencer. This is the Benzinga newsroom.
I mean, if you want to see the background behind myself,
Brett, you want to hop in the chair here? So
you can see Raz. Raz is over there. I can see him talking on his phone in his office.
All right, Brett's just going to hop in here for 1 second. Say hi.
Brent's going to hop on. All right. There we go, Brent.
You're in the Benzinga newsroom live from the Motor City.
It's a little busy right now, Brent. You're with
Triple
us.
G.
What's up, buddy? What's going on?
What's that degree back there?
That's the CFA right there.
All right.
That's the old ones when they came from Amer before they changed their name. Now you can tell them an oldie. That's from the Association for Investment Management and Research. So you can tell I'm an oldie because now it's called the CFA Institute, but that's what it was called back then in I got that in 2002, Chartered Financial Analyst. So that's what they gave me.
Dennis, that's a good-looking basement. You're probably covering up the not good-looking part with that Benzinga logo.
I am pretty much. That's covering up all my files. All my the Benzinga banner is covering up all my junk.
To be clear, is this the basement that flooded last year?
Yes. So the floor, I don't know if you can see the floor, but the floor is still out because I can't. Yeah, because I had to rip out. I had hardwood floor in here actually, and I had to rip it all out because I had a little water come in, and we're still trying to fix that problem. So not putting floor down until I figure out where the water is coming from.
All right.
So
I
think I haven't figured out. This needs to get fixed.
Cool.
You guys got a good setup going here. This is looking good.
Thanks, Brent. I don't want to keep too long from the desk, so I want you to hop back over there. And that's it for us, though. So that was our big test, TradeStation charts and video. So hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you don't like looking at our faces, then just listen to the podcast. I don't know what to tell you.
You don't have to.
You don't have to. Just turn off the video. Listen to the podcast. All right, guys. That's it for us for now.
Peace.
What's up? Oh, you said peace. Okay.